How to sell personalized pet accessories on Etsy. Hey guys, welcome to this new video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can sell your own products using this platform. So let's get started first by explaining the platform for you. So Etsy.com guys is a platform where you can sell your own products or where you can buy the other sellers' products. So as you can see in here, we have a lot of products, and here we have a lot of categories to search from. So here you have the jewelry and accessories, clothing and shoes, home and living, toys and entertainment, and so on. And by scrolling down, you will see a lot of products, and most of them are handmade products, like these earrings. So here is just check one of these products, just to show you an example. Let's check this one. So in this video guys, I'm going to show you how you can create a shop page exactly like this one, how you can set the price for your product, how you can add the details, photos, a video if you have one, the other photos like those. So I'm going to show you how you can do all of that, and I'm going to show you as well how to add these details, the material, handmade or not, description, and all of that. So let's just go back to the first page, go to your top right, you'll have the shop manager button, click on it, then you will proceed to setting up your Etsy shop as you can see in here. So in order to set your Etsy shop, you will need to go through 6 steps as you can see, and they start with the shop preferences, then comes naming your shop, then you will add the details about your shop, photos and so on. Then you will choose how you'll get paid. Then you will set your payment processors and your shop security. So let's start from the first step, which is the shop preferences. So here you will choose the shop's language, the shop's country, and the shop's currency. So for the currency, I'm going to change it from the Moroccan dirham to the United States dollar. Then click on save and continue. Then you're going to give a name to your shop. So make sure to remove the spaces between words, and make sure to make it between 4 and 20 characters. So I'm going to remove personalized, and it seems like the name is already taken. So here you have some suggestions to use, or you can just add a number and it will be unique. Then click on save and continue to proceed to the next step. And in the third step, you add some photos and details about your item. Fill out what you can for now. You'll be able to edit this later. So before we proceed to adding the photos and details and so on, first click on save and continue to see all of the required fields to fill. So here we have 4 required fields that starts with photos. So here in photos, you will need at least to have 1 photo of your product. Then you have the inventory, where you will need to type a price for the product. Then you have the listing details, and here you will have to fill all of these red fields. Then you have the shipping, where also you will need to fill the red fields. And this is easy guys. I'm going to show you how you can do that. So for the photos, add as many as you can so buyers can see every detail. Use up to 10 photos to show your item's most important qualities. And for some tips, use natural light and no flash. Include a common object for scale. Show the item being held, worn or used. Shoot against a clean, simple background. Add photos to your variations so buyers can see all their options. Then we have the video. So bring your product to life with a 5 to 15 second video. It could help you drive more sales. The video won't feature sound, so let your product do the talking. And for some quick tips, film wearable items on a model or show a functional item being used. Adjust your settings to record a high resolution video. Aim for 1080 pixels or higher. Crop your video after you upload it to get the right dimensions, And if you want to learn how to make videos that sell, you can just click on this link. Then we have the listing details. So here, type the title of your product. Then you answer these 3 questions that start with who made it. You have I did, a member of my shop, another company or person. So let's go with I did. What is it? A finished product or a supply or tool to make things? Let's go with a finished product. Then when did you make it? You have 3 categories to choose from: not yet made, recently, or vintage. I'm going to use recently. Then for the category, just type your product's name and you'll have a lot of categories to choose from. So I'm going to choose kit accessories. And here you have some additional details to fill, like the primary color of your product. And by the way, all of the details that have optional in front of them, you can skip them for later if you want, or you can just fill them now and get rid of them. So here we have the primary color, secondary color, the occasion of the product, the holiday, and then you have the renewal options. You can choose the automatic renewal, which costs 20 cents and it's recommended, or you can choose the manual one, which is free. So for me, I'm going to go with the manual. Then you have the type of the product, if it's a physical product or a digital, and obviously in my case, it's a physical product. Then for the description, if you want to write a good description for the product, make sure to start with a brief overview that describes your item's finest features. Shoppers will only see the first few lines of your description at first, so make it count. Not sure what else to say? Shoppers also like hearing about your process and the story behind this item. Then we have the production partner. If there is any, you can add them in here. And then for the section tags and materials, I'm going to skip them for later. Then you have the inventory and pricing. So make sure to type a good price for the product, a price that will suit you and your clients as well. So this is just an example. Then you have the shipping settings to fill. You have to fill the origin postal code, processing time, and the settings of the standard shipping everywhere else. And if you want to add another location, you can add it. Then we have the returns and exchanges policy. You can choose the one of 30 days, or you can change it to another one by clicking or choose another policy and create another one. Then click on save and continue to proceed to the next step. So that's it guys for today's video. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel and share the video with your friends.